The Maitland officer had crashed into a car stopped at a red light at State Road 441 and First Avenue in Mount Dora, and when he blew, his blood alcohol level was between 3 to 4 times more than the legal limit.
So a drunk cop crashes into someone at a red light, and somehow he might be the victim. Welcome to Mount Dora, where justice takes PTO. Officer Joshua Rotarius, Maitland PD, smells like alcohol, red glossy eyes, hits a stopped car, and admits to having, ready for this, 8 to probably 11 drinks. Because nothing says responsible public servant like double-digit bar hopping.
Mount Dora police opened an internal investigation because of what we exposed in video yesterday. Only Channel 9 showed you. It is of a Maitland police officer being arrested for drunk driving. Channel 9's Darlene Jones has been following this story, and she also has the latest on how officers may have mishandled this case. She joins me live right now in Studio C. Darlene.
Yeah, Greg, this Maitland police officer you see here in this body camera video is currently off the job, suspended 400 hours.
But don't worry, it gets better. Mount Dora PD somehow forgets the first rule of DUI investigations. Don't turn off the damn body cam. And guess what they did? Yep. Poof. Parts of the incident just vanished. Accountability? Deleted like an ex's number.
But we uncovered while reviewing this body camera video and the internal affairs investigation from Maitland PD, these Mount Dora police officers surrounding this officer here turned off their body cameras more than once and may have improperly conducted this field sobriety exercise.
You don't have a line, really. You put your left foot on the line and put your right foot in front of it.
The problem, look down. He's on a sidewalk, so there is no line for Maitland police officer Joshua Rotarius to follow.
And then the Mount Dora officers show up. And the guy giving the field sobriety test literally admits, this is the first time doing these. That's right. Florida police out here administering DUI tests the same way I assemble IKEA furniture, reading off a card and praying.
Moments later, even reading from a script on a small card, it's clear the Mount Dora officer, Brandon Buzzard, wasn't quite sure how to conduct the field sobriety exercise required to help get a DUI conviction.
I'm sorry, man. I'm going to mess this up.
All right, you're good.
This is the first time doing these.
The Maitland officer had crashed into a car stopped at a red light at State Road 441 and First Avenue in Mount Dora, and when he blew, his blood alcohol level was between 3 to 4 times more than the legal limit. Some of what played out here wasn't recorded because the Mount Dora officers repeatedly turned off their body cameras.
So now Mount Dora PD is investigating its own officers, which is basically the cops grading their own homework. Spoiler, they gave themselves summer school.
In a statement to 9 Investigates, the chief said in part, this action does not comply with body-worn camera policy, and as a result, the department will be initiating an internal investigation. The review also identified training gaps related to DUI investigative procedures. MDPD will be implementing agency-wide refresher training.
And here's the punchline. Despite the drunk cop admitting to 11 drinks and rear-ending a stopped car, he might walk free. Why? Because the other cops messed up the test, turned the cameras off, and forgot how to do their jobs.
All of it may lead to prosecutors dismissing the case, even though the Maitland officer said this during an internal affairs investigation interview with Maitland PD.
Do you remember how much you had to drink?
8 to probably 11 drinks total.
When you decided to get into your car to initiate that drive home, with all the other options available, what led you to decide that?
I don't remember getting into my car or my truck, unfortunately.
He did not remember. The Mount Dora officer who wrote the traffic crash report wrote, they didn't know he was a Maitland officer until he said so when he was handcuffed. And a Mount Dora officer said then, man, why didn't you say that?
This is what happens when your accountability system is run by the same people who keep breaking it. Body cams don't matter if cops can just switch them off. Sobriety tests don't matter if the officer giving it is on level 1 tutorial mode. And the best part? The officer actually says, why didn't you tell us you were a cop? like that's supposed to be some kind of magic password, as if being a fellow officer automatically unlocks the skip accountability bonus round.
Officer Rotarius pled not guilty to that DUI charge, and his attorney told me he plans to file a motion very soon to have this case tossed out because, again, of what we all just watched in that video.
If this was you or me, we'd already be on probation, paying fines, doing classes, maybe losing our license. But when it's a cop, suddenly the whole justice system gets selective amnesia.